We have to portion control when we are on diet or a weight loss journey. But salad is the only food that we can eat as much as we want to. There is no portion control in it. Eat at least one bowl of salad on daily for a healthy lifestyle. Always make the base of your salad with cabbage or lettuce. It's highly nutritious and has many health benefits. It's low in calories, contains vitamin C, vitamin K, folate and fiber. Improve immune system, good for weight loss and control blood sugar levels. Let me tell you a very delicious and tasty salad recipe, and you will enjoy it until last. Let's make a very delicious salad dressing by using garlic. Add some garlic pods. The fresh garlic will give you a very special taste to your salad, and it has so many nutrition values. Take a juice of 1 lemon, or you can say 2 to 3 tablespoons lemon juice, according to the quantity of your salad. Next, you have to add some black pepper powder and 1 tablespoon jaggery or brown sugar. Then a pinch of salt to it. And then add 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil. Then the key ingredients: apple cider vinegar, the organic with the mother apple cider vinegar. And here your tastiest and healthy dressing is ready, and this dressing will help you to lose weight if you consume the salad on the daily basis. Do try this salad recipe and let me know in the comments. Guys, do try this salad recipe and let me know in the comments. I'm sure you will love it and have it again and again. For sure, it will really help you to lose weight if you consume it on the daily basis, because it has protein and vitamins and everything you want. So give it a try.